Hello there, Supreme Krispy Kreme, back at it again. Today is October 29th. I'll be recording 2 videos today, and I'll probably upload them the same day. I'm not sure yet. But this is kind of a early Christmas present for my fiance. She's known I got this, so it's not really a surprise. But I got us the new iPhone 14 Pro Maxes. I actually haven't even opened the actual phone box yet. I have opened the packages just to make sure it's actually what I ordered, but the box itself still have the seals on them. So I don't even know, haven't even seen the phone in person yet. The only time I've ever really seen the phone is in photos. I've never seen one in person yet, even though I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's basically the same thing, just bigger camera. So I bought those. And once I set up this new phone will be my main phone. And the phone I'm on now will be my secondary phone, which I'll be using for filming and stuff. Which I was going to be planning with the iPhone X when I got the 12, but the iPhone X camera broke shortly before I got the 12, so I was never able to do it with this phone. And this phone will be officially retired once the new phone is up. So I will be shutting this phone down and putting it up for good. Just like I have other phones, I've done that too. Like I have an iPhone 4, and a Motorola, and a couple other phones that I have retired, mainly because they're old and I don't want to do too much damage to them. So yeah, it's kind of a big moment for me because I've had this phone for 2 years. I loved the phone when I got it, but I hate it now. The battery is going out, so it's constantly dying and I have to charge it all the time. Plus the camera's broke and it lags. But the phone ain't the only thing I got. I also got us cases, because I actually recently broke this phone. I'll put a photo up on the screen. I bought her a phone stand. I have a couple of these also, but I bought her this one. 10-foot iPhone cable, charging block, these things to plug the USB-C cord into a regular plug, along with a lightning headphone jack so she can use earbuds. And I'll cut to this video later on today. Hello, I'm back with my fiance. I've never actually shown her in a video, surprisingly. But I got the iPhones here, as I've already shown. Like I said, I've already opened the FedEx package, just to make sure it's actually what I ordered. But I haven't opened the actual iPhone yet. Just get that one. That one's mine. So they're both iPhone 14 Pro Maxes. They are 256 gigabytes, both of them are. She wanted the deep purple. I got the space black. So this one's hers, this one's mine. Let me get some to open. Oh, got my knife right here. Okay. I want to open one of them at a time. They're both obviously going to have the same things in them because they're the same phone, just different colors. So it doesn't really matter. It's been about a year since I've done a phone review because the current phone I'm all recording right now is the 12 Pro Max, which I got last year. So yeah. Here it is. Okay, it's got the cord in it. Instructions. Oh, it's nice. Okay, I'm gonna do a phone comparison between the 12 and the 14. Okay, I switched. You'll probably notice the quality is lower because this is the iPhone X. Okay, so here is mine. It's the 12 Pro Max. See, they're pretty much the same size. Bigger camera. This camera is huge compared to the new one. Okay, let's open up hers now.
Ooh,
I haven't even opened yours yet.
don't open my own.
Oh, well, here, open it. You just gotta open the bottom part. Bottom part.
You wanna kill him?
Bottom part. You already opened that one. Okay, now you just gotta pull the box out. You don't need to.
Jacob?
Okay. There.
Exactly my point, sire.
So, there's hers. Same stuff in it. But hers is deep purple. I don't know why I'm still recording on the old phone. We're back on the 12. Here's hers. Hers is deep purple, space black. Kind of hard to see on camera, but yeah. Okay, let me put the boxes together again. Anyways, I'll cut back when the phones are set up.